Alright, we're going to play the 1945 game app. This is like the old Galaga game we used to play in the arcades. Shoot at them and they shoot at you. Let's go find the app right there. Turn the volume up so you can hear it. Some good looking planes there, isn't it? Alright. This is a little video they play to get you started. I'll let you read that yourself. Ooh, the rocket's got two of our guys, didn't it? Well, it's just a video. We're not into the actual game yet, so. Oh, look at that guy. Boom, got him. Shows you how to move your plane back and forth now. See how there? Don't let them red things hit you. They're firing at you. Pick up the coins. Click on that. Adds firepower, I think. That's a bonus coming down right there, that circle. Get him and it'll increase your firepower. There's one. Got the other one. You can move forward and backwards too, so. Oh, there's another bonus coming down. Got it. Look at that. Increased my firepower good that time. Oh, they're moving fast, aren't they? Oh, there's a chopper. Got him. Look at that plane. Oh, he's firing at us. Look at that. What's them rockets? Oh, them rockets are come after you, don't they? Alright, completed that level. I don't know what that is, but it don't open. Alright, let's see. Alright, here we go. Destroy enemies, okay. Look at the firepower that's got. Ooh, there's a big one. Oh, he takes a lot of hits, too. Oh, there's a ship. Can we get him? Dodge those red things. They're firing at you. Ooh, look at that. Got him. There's a bonus coming down if we get to it. There we go. Oh, looks like a shield, doesn't it? Oh, look at that. Whoa. Got him. Wow. There's that level. Level 2, okay. Destroys enemies or something. Alright. Watch those fire. There you go. Ooh, that knocked got me. Ooh, it's a tough one there. Got him. All of them coming down. There's some bonuses that'll increase my firepower. Got them both. All right. Look at that. Firepower there. What's it got? Ooh. Got him. Get them all. Oh, I think it was saying you had to get 78% of the enemy. Okay. Another bonus coming. I'll go up and get it real quick. Get that plane. Whoa. Got him. Boy, there's a lot of things to dodge there, isn't it? Uh-oh, that one hit me. Victory! Alright, we got enough of them. That was level 2. Okay. No doubt about what you have to touch to go, is it? Alright, we got 3 planes here now. There's a bonus coming down. Look at that big plane. There we go. Look out. Get that bonus. There we go. Look at the rockets coming down. Yeah, we used to play this back in the arcades. Oh, look at those things. We got enough firepower to take care of them, though. Oh, look at them things firing at me. Victory! Good. Okay, support. Oh, they're gonna make us add more stuff, I guess. Yep. Ooh, bombs. Is that what that is? Rockets, I guess. Level 4. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Oh, they fire behind us too, okay. Look out. Ooh. Wow, look at those things. Ooh. That's mean. Wow, how do you shoot them down? I don't know. Got him. Another helicopter. Oh, those things appear out of nowhere, don't they? The rockets. Look at those rockets. Get them. There's a ship. I think we got him. Several more ships. Got him. Oh, look at the size of that ship. How do you get that guy? Well, he's smoking, so maybe we were shooting him. Finally, all right. I think that's about as far as we're going this time. I'll look around at it, see what we do here. We'll come back and play some more later. Find out how you get out of this now. Back arrow, try that on your phone. There we go. Quit. Yep. Got it. Okay, we will see you next time.